how to magnify contents while recording our videos or while teaching or showing any presentation. Most of us use a Zoom application for it, but we have one application magnifier tool already inbuilt in Windows 10. So we don't have to use any Zoom application or any other software for it. Now let's see how we can use this magnifier tool. First of all, I want to show you here in content. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, then just like in mobile, we can simply enlarge our hand. It will zoom in and zoom out. This is for a touchpad, and if you are working in your mouse, then press Ctrl key and scroll mouse up and down. See, it will zoom in and zoom out. This is for mouse, but if you are working on mouse. Now if you want to zoom in and zoom out these ribbons, any of particular tools, then we have to activate our magnifier tool. To activate our magnifier tool, we have to press window and plus key. Now you can see here it is activated. Again, if you want to again zoom in, then again window plus. Now slowly move your cursor upward. See here, left. Any particular tool you want to magnify, then simply move your cursor and press window plus. You want to zoom more than window plus. See, we can have a clear vision here. And if you want to out from it or minimize it, then window minus. Again window minus. By using this application, we will have clear vision and our project work or recording it totally efficient. Now if you want to deactivate it or escape from it, then press window and escape. See here, it has been deactivated. And again, if you want to activate, then press window plus. Then it is it appears here, it is activated. So this is very easy, and we don't have to install any other software. Inbuilt magnifier tool is sufficient for it. Hope guys this tool will be helpful for you. If you really like it, then please subscribe, share and forward it. Till then, thank you, take care and bye bye.